Oh, shoot. Bro, I'm so late. I was supposed to leave for class like 30 minutes ago. I'm screwed. I gotta go. I gotta go. Gonna need these. Be a good boy, Rocco. I'll see you later. Phew! That fresh paint job looking good, man. Bro, I have no gas. Are you serious? Oh my gosh, as if I wasn't already late enough. Now I gotta go to the gas station because there's no way I'm making it to school with the amount of fuel that I have in the car right now. Let's just get this thing started up already and head out. Oh my God, bro.
Oh, hell no, man.
Alright, let's bounce. We gotta get out of here, bro. I'm already so late. Get you woken up in the morning. Like I was saying, I just got my hood and fenders freshly painted by myself, I may add, and they're not 100% fully cured. I mean, it's been about a week and a half, close to 2 weeks, but I just don't want them getting messed up in any way, so I'm gonna try and, you know, follow a little farther behind people. At the gas station once again to get some more E85. Seems like I'm always here. Enough wasting time. Now that I got the car all started up, I gotta start heading to school, dude. Woo! but I'm pretty sure it was just this skid tray piece underneath that was hitting the road. At least that's what I'm crossing my fingers and I'm hoping for. I'm just got back on the road right now. I'm gonna wait to see if I hear that noise still at all, which doesn't seem like I do, which is a good sign. I'm not really too worried about just a little, you know, skid tray piece. It's not really the biggest of my concerns. I just wanted to make sure nothing actually was breaking on the car. Oh my gosh. You know what I haven't used in a while is the burble tune on my car. I gotta go, man. No time to wait around, sorry. Finally, I made it. Just gotta get parked up real quick. Are any of y'all like me and choose to park all the way in the back just so nobody parks next to your car? Because that's me 100% of the time anywhere I go somewhere. If you take a look at my phone, you'll see it's 10:25, so I'm only about 20 minutes late, which isn't the greatest, but I gotta rush inside real quick and grab my bag. And oh my gosh, bro, don't tell me. Do not tell me, bro. Oh, I forgot all my notebooks at the house, bro.
Flashback.
I gotta go.
End of flashback.
Oh man, I might be screwed. Oh no. Or, you know what, better yet, how about I just say we don't go to class today, because I can't do anything without my notebooks. Might as well not waste the rest of this day, and I mean, we're already out with the car, so I might as well just go grab some photos and videos of how it's looking. Forget school, I didn't even really want to go today, honestly, anyways, so I mean, when do you really want to go to school? But keep in mind, school is important, so for all you younger viewers out there, definitely don't do what I'm doing right now and skip out and, you know, not go. But I figured, considering I'm already super late and I'm an idiot and didn't bring any of my notebooks, might as well just go have some fun. parking this gravel right here. Hopefully nobody gets upset with me doing this, but I'll only be here for like 5 minutes. I'm not causing any harm, so. Dude, I got the worst luck. I just noticed while I was grabbing some photos and videos that there's a bunch of gum just slung up all over the back end of my car. Dude, I can't win. But I think that's where I'm gonna wrap it up for today's video. If you guys enjoyed and want to see more videos like this, please make sure you give it a like down below. It helps me out so much. Subscribe if you're new. That way you can stay up to date on all the content that I post with my 8.6, just like this. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Peace.